Hello, kids. Numbers, numbers, numbers. Numbers are our best friend. We need them to count the number of chocolates we have. We need them to count the number of toys we have. We need them when we play games with our friends. Numbers are rather our best friends. Let's meet our old friends who we have already met in UKG. Do you remember them? Well, these are numbers from 1 to 5. Let's quickly recapitulate these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes, my dear children, these are numbers who we have already met. Now, I want to tell you an interesting story. Can you see these two people on the screen? Can you guess who they are? Let me give you some time to think. Come on, put on your thinking caps and think and tell me who these two are. Your time starts now. Well, let me tell you. The two people in the picture are Akbar and his best friend Birbal. Akbar was a king. He was known as Akbar Badshah. He was very famous and his kingdom stretched far and wide. Akbar had a best friend. His name was Birbal. Birbal was very intelligent and a very funny guy. Akbar was very fond of Birbal. Whenever there was any problem in his kingdom, he would always call for Birbal, share his problem with him, and Birbal, like an intelligent best friend, would always come out with a suitable solution. So yes, one fine day, Akbar had a huge problem. And the first person that he thought of was Birbal. He called Birbal to the garden and shared his problem with Birbal. Let's find out what was the problem that Akbar faced. Akbar Badshah wanted to make a huge road right from his kingdom to the other kingdom so that people from his kingdom could go and do business in the other kingdom, and people from the other kingdom could come to his kingdom for business. But in the process of constructing a strong, sturdy road, many trees had to be cut down. And as you all know, trees are our best friends. They give us so many things, and most important of all, they give us oxygen, due to which we are all alive, playing, jumping, dancing and kicking around. Akbar was not very glad about the idea of cutting down so many trees, but there was no other option. So after racking his brains for a very long time, he called in for Birbal. Birbal came and he heard the whole problem. He said, Okay, my Badshah, let me go home, think over it and get back to you the next day. Fine. As was decided, Birbal came to the court the next day, and Akbar was very sure that Birbal simply has a solution for every problem. Akbar was very curious to know. He said, Come on, Birbal, tell me, what is the solution that you have? Birbal said, Akbar Badshah, the road is also important and so are the trees. We cannot stop the construction and we can't avoid cutting off the trees. So I have an idea. Let the trees be cut off. But in place of those trees, we need to plant new trees around our kingdom so that the new trees, the new plants will make up for all those trees that are cut. Akbar was very happy. He said, Yes, my dear friend, that's a simple but an excellent solution. So he called all his courtiers. Akbar had 9 courtiers Courtiers are people who work in the king's court and help him to function his daily jobs well. Akbar had 9 courtiers. So all the 9 courtiers went to the garden and planted 9 trees. In the same way, he told all the people from his kingdom to plant trees in and around his kingdom. So the 9 courtiers had finished planting 9 trees in the garden of his palace. Then comes King Akbar. He came to see where the 9 trees are planted. He was so happy to see those 9 trees. He said, "Wow, if my 9 courtiers can plant a tree, so can I." So he said, "Even I want to plant a tree." So the courtiers had already planted 9 trees, and Akbar planted one more. So 9 and one more tree became 10 trees together. 10 small saplings or 10 small plants together. 9 courtiers and Akbar Badshah's one more plant made 10 plants together. Now Akbar said, "Fine, we have planted these plants here, but it's quite possible that the wild animals or even some of the animals, they might just eat up those small plants. So what do we do?" So then Birbal said, "Fine, around these 10 plants, we will make a strong, sturdy fence." So they made a fence around these 10 plants. So this group of 10 plants together was called as 1 tens. My dear children, every group that has 10 things put together is called 1 tens because it has 10 objects together. This group of plants was called 1 tens because there were 10 plants put. Rohan's papa took Rohan to the market one day. After a very long time, Rohan was in the market and he was super excited. He saw a candy store. He told his dad, "I want some candies, Daddy. I'm so bored of being in the house. After a long time, I've come to the market. Please buy me some candies." Rohan's papa said, "Fine, I'll buy you some candies." So he picked up all the candies and he brought the candies home. But when he brought those candies home, he wanted to count them. And Rohan remembered that his teacher had told him the story of Akbar and Birbal. He remembered that the teacher had told him one group of 10 things put together is called 1 tens. So he decided to make a group of 10 chocolates together. He took a box and put 10 chocolates or 10 candies in that one box. He counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this was his group of 1 tens. But then he realized that there was one candy extra, which was all by itself, all alone. So he placed it outside the box. So now he had one group of 10 candies called as 1 tens and one single candy called as 1 ones, because that one candy did not belong to any group. It was all by itself. So 1 tens and 1 one makes the number 11. Wow, pretty butterflies, aren't they? 10 butterflies put together and one butterfly left all alone, a single butterfly. 1 tens and 1 ones makes the number 11. The numbers after 10 are called two-digit numbers because we use two numbers to make that one single number. The number 10 is made by using the combination of two numbers like 1 and 0. The number 11 is made by putting two numbers together, that is 1 and 1. So 1 0 makes 10 and 1 1 makes 11. Caps for sale, lovely caps for sale. Anybody's birthday is around the corner? Yes, party caps are all ready. There was a box of party caps which had 10 caps together, and 2 caps were out of the box. So the 10 caps that were together in the box is called as 1/10s, and the 2 single caps which are outside the group are called 2/1s. So 1/10s and 2/1s makes the number 12. Should we count all the caps together? Let's see if they are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the box, and after 10, 2 more caps are outside the box. 11 and 12. Yes, there are 12 caps together. So one group of 10 caps together makes 1/10s, and 2 single caps are called 2/1s. So 1/10s and 2/1s makes the number 12.